Hi, independent GelMoment distributor Kim Foster here. I'm going to show you how to make a nice, easy snowflake in this tutorial. We're going to use Shadow Surfer and Lovee Dovee. We're going to begin by applying a base coat of Shadow Surfer to our nail. Of course, you can use any color you want, but I love this dark blue with the sparkle, especially for a Christmas snowflake design. So gorgeous. Now that my first coat is completed, I'll do a full cure. I'm going to proceed by doing a second coat of Shadow Surfer on this nail. I wanted to make sure that I had nice, even coverage and it was a real dark, deep color. We'll do another 45-second cure. Now to do the snowflake design, we're just going to take a dotting tool and we're going to dip it into Lovee Dovee. You want to make sure that when you put these dots on that you're just going straight up and down. You need 5 dots in total, with the center one being the biggest. Next, we're going to go across. Same thing as before. Now, because this pattern's falling off the nail, I don't have 5 full dots, but there would be if you were to do just one snowflake in the middle. So it would be 5 dots down, 5 dots across. Then you would go in and add 2 more additional dots on either side of the 5 dots in the center, so that it would be 5 dots down, 3 dots down, and then 1 dot. Now that we've done the placement of our 2 snowflakes, we're just going to take our striping brush and run it through the polish, making sure that we pull past the actual last dot. This is what's going to give you the nice pointed look of the snowflake. In this video, I did drag all the way through, but you could break it out into sections. So you could start at the center, middle dot, and pull down, and then you could go across and just do it like 1 or 2 dots at a time. And that might create a bit of a different look as well. Lastly, I'm just going to take my dotting tool and add a few other little white dots here and there, just because it kind of adds to the image of it snowing. And we'll do a complete cure. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of Clearly Frisky, just because I like to top coat it, make sure that it's all nice and even. And when I've done that, I of course will do another full cure. Such an easy and gorgeous snowflake design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.